Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by powering on the watch and preparing your phone. Turn Bluetooth on, open the manufacturer app, and plug the watch in or confirm it has at least 30% battery. Once done, follow the app prompts to allow Bluetooth and location access. These permissions let the phone discover the device and maintain connection. Make sure you're using the phone you want paired. If you have multiple devices nearby, temporarily disable their Bluetooth to avoid confusion. You'll now complete the main pairing steps inside the app. Tap Add Device, select the exact model, and wait for the phone to scan. When a code appears on both screens, verify it and accept. The app may request permissions for notifications, contacts, or media. Grant these so your watch can mirror alerts and show caller info. If the phone asks to optimize battery settings, allow background activity for the app so syncing runs reliably. Finally, sign in or create an account. You're almost done. Let the app finish syncing widgets, health data, and watch faces. Make custom notification and app permissions choices so alerts behave the way you want. Check for and install firmware updates. These often fix bugs and improve connectivity. Test by calling or sending a message to confirm audio and notification routing. If something goes wrong, restart both devices. Use the phone's Bluetooth menu to forget the watch. Then retry pairing. This resolves most common connectivity hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.